Hi friends, welcome back to Simply Jain. Today we are going to make a very unique starter, that is zucchini marble. So let's start making it. Ingredients required for zucchini balls are cheese, zucchini, breadcrumbs, capsicums, salt, green chilies, basil and oregano. Take one medium-sized zucchini, just grate it and add little salt and allow it to rest. Then squeeze all the excess water and this is what we will get. Finely chopped bell peppers, that will be around 2 to 3 tablespoons. 2 grated cheese, 3 tablespoons breadcrumbs, 1.5 tablespoon basil leaves, half tablespoon oregano, 1 tablespoon green chilies, half tablespoon salt. Now just mix everything together. Mix everything properly and then we'll make medium sized balls. Here instead of cheese you can even add paneer. So this is done. We'll just roll it in breadcrumbs and then deep fry them. Once we have made the balls, just roll it in breadcrumbs and then deep fry. Do the same thing with the rest of them. Once it's golden brown, we are just going to remove it and put it on kitchen towel. Ingredients required for the gravy are tomato puree, cheese, maida, cream, basil leaves, tomato ketchup, salt, chili sauce, chili flakes and oregano. First, we'll take 3 tomatoes, make a puree out of it. 1 tablespoon chili sauce. I have used Puree brand Jain chili sauce. 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup. 1 tablespoon chili flakes. Half tablespoon oregano. 1 tablespoon basil leaves. Salt to taste. 2 cheese cubes grated, 1/4 cup cream and 2 tablespoons maida. Now just blend all of this together. And this is what we get. Once we are done blending the gravy, we are just going to heat it. It will change its color. It will become a bit darker. Just switch off your flame and then we will add the zucchini balls which we made. See to it that the gravy is this thick, and you all can make the zucchini balls prior and just before serving add them in the gravy. Just let the zucchini balls be in the gravy for 5 minutes and then serve it. This is ready. Our zucchini marbles are ready to be eaten. If you like it, comment below and don't forget to subscribe to Simply Jain for a new recipe every Tuesday.